Hello, it's a quick video demonstrating how to assemble the iPhone 5 with an Otterbox case bicycle mount. The three things you'll need are the iPhone cradle, 3 standard size zip ties, and the lower mounts for the bicycle handle. First thing you're going to want to do is take the cradle and slide in this bracket with the notch on top and slide the notch into the cradle. Then you'll take a zip tie, run it through the slot, and what you want to do here is run it back into the same slot backwards. What this will do is it'll create a pin. At this point you can cut it right here, and then you can either try to snake it back into the head of the zip tie, or you can just glue it right there. And I believe even without glue it will not come out. Once you have that one done, you'll want to place this on your bicycle handles, the frame of the handles. Then take the back piece, slide the slots through the according slots. Once you got that done, you want to do this zip tie first. You'll slide a zip tie through there, zip tie tight, cut off the excess. Once you have that, there should be a small gap created once it's on the handles. What you want to do there is go ahead and slide another zip tie and tighten it as tight as you can and cut the excess. And now it should be mounted solid on your bicycle.